Now, as a business owner, we always have to give tasks to the team. But point is that we always feel very struggled that how does team really complete the task and reverts back. When task is not given in a very systematized format, it doesn't comes back to you. While being doing business for over 2 decades now, task giving is the only task which I as a business owner have. And following up with my team on the task which has been delegated to that had been eating up my time and had been one of the major area where I was looking out for solution, and this app came absolutely handy to me. The moment I got to know about the app, I purchased and I made all my 20 team, which is the initial team, to get onto app. And today, what I do is the moment I come to the office, I go to my task and check out what are the tasks which are pending. By the time I sign off, I see to it that what are the tasks which are completed and due to be completed. Now my team and I am accountable to each other, because I had also told them that whatever task you want to give it to me, give it to this particular app. This is absolutely not a replacement of email, but this is absolutely a replacement of smart tasks which matters the most for the efficiencies and the proficiencies of the organization. I like to wish all the best to team Keval Kishan for building up this thing. We look forward for better version. We look forward for enhanced version of this so that it can help us focus on the business what we are meant for, and rather than following up with our team. Thank you.